Innovation is important because it's only really through innovation that you're able to better understand the problems and tasks that you're working with. And so by thinking creatively, you're able to answer those questions, and maybe in a more streamlined approach or more robustly than by keeping with traditional norms. And we're always innovating when we have new tools to work with, new approaches, particularly for sampling. There's new laboratory techniques, there's new ways to sample, new sampling methodologies. And so by incorporating these innovative methods, we're able to provide a better understanding of what is going on in the field and how people are being exposed and the risks that that may pose to them. An example of innovative approach is thinking of alternative sampling methodologies from discrete sampling, and that includes incremental sampling methodologies, or ISM. So within the risk assessment practice, there are different ways that you can sample for contaminants. The most common is discrete sampling, and so there you just take a soil sample and you send it off to the lab and they'll analyze it for the contaminants of interest. Another option is to conduct incremental sampling methodology, also known as ISM. Incremental sampling is kind of more pragmatic approach in that it takes an average of a large area and you're able to look at exposure and potential risk for individuals that might be in that area. And one of the benefits of using this ISM approach is that it reduces the total number of samples that you end up having to collect and send to the lab. But at the same time, it can be more time intensive to actually collect those samples, because instead of collecting a single discrete sample, you're having to collect about 30 to 50 increments and composite those. So there is an important time cost consideration to take into account when deciding which approach to move forward with.